Hello viewers, welcome to this video. Viewers, in this video I am going to share with you 5 English names of birds. So let's see. Number 1, kingfisher. Kingfisher. Kingfisher means masranga. Kingfisher means masranga. Number 2, sparrow. Sparrow. Sparrow means চড়ুই পাখি. Sparrow means চড়ুই পাখি. Number 3, owl. Owl. Owl means পেঁচা. Owl means পেঁচা. Number 4, vulture. Vulture. Vulture means শকুন. Vulture means শকুন. Number 5, woodpecker. Woodpecker. Woodpecker means কাঠঠোকরা. Woodpecker means কাঠঠোকরা. Okay viewers, keep learning and memorizing these names.